Today we'll learn the weaving technique with the help of paper. Wrap and weft are the two basic components used in weaving. Wrap means tana and weft means bana. The lengthwise wrap yarn are held stationary in tension on a frame just like this. This is also called loom. While the weft bana is inserted over and under the wrap to create the fabric. To create this wrap and weft tana bana, we need two different colored pastel sheets. Take one of the sheet and fold it lengthwise. Join the corners and edges properly and then press your sheet. Now with the help of a scale, make a sleeping line on the open side of the sheet. Now make standing lines till the sleeping line at the same distance. Keep on making the standing lines till the end of the sheet. Now take a scissor and cut the standing lines. Cut the standing lines till the sleeping line. Don't go beyond the sleeping line. Now your tana wrap is ready. Keep it aside and take other sheet to create the weft threads. Make standing lines throughout the sheet and then cut them out. Now your tana and bana sheets are ready. Take the wrap sheet, the tana sheet, and give it an opposite fold to make it straight. Here the sheet is straight. Now we will learn how to do the weaving. Now take the strips and insert up and down like this shown in the video. Paste both the ends of your weft thread to secure your weaving. Now in the second step, the wrap thread will be up. As shown here, the pink sheet is up and the green has been inserted from down. Now we'll continue the same process and it will give a look like a chess pattern. Now in the third strip, we'll again do the same thing as done in the first pattern. We'll continue doing it till the end of the sheet. Inserting the last strip would be a little bit difficult as we have less space in the wrap area. So do it slowly with a lot of patience, and here the last thread is also done. We can use some decorative material according to our creativity to make our paper weaving mat more beautiful. Here, our beautiful mat is ready. We can make 5 more and laminate them and use it as a table mat.